Welcome back to the channel. Apparently, you can shoot photos on your GoPro. I never really considered doing that before, but since it can do it, I thought, well, let's go out and test it. So I came up to Botanical Gardens today. I'm gonna walk around, take a few shots with the GoPro, and we're gonna look at them. Hopefully they turn out, we'll see how they turn out. I don't know. I've never really shot a photo with the GoPro before, so I'll be interested to see. So we'll see on the other side. So just got done shooting all my pictures out here at the Botanical Gardens, and I shot all my pictures in super photo mode or raw. I will say that about halfway through my shooting experience, about 20 minutes in, I was shooting off pictures pretty fast, and I never turned my camera off, and it's not on a tripod or anything like that. It started getting really laggy on me when I shoot the photos. It would lag to 10 seconds before the second set of beats would come on before you go on to your next photo. As far as what I expect, I don't just expect a whole lot out of the photos. Like I say, I've never shot any photos with a GoPro. Maybe just a few in here in the pool or whatever in the past, but nothing very extensive. So I'm not quite sure what to expect. If they're even halfway decent, I'll be quite surprised with that. But anyway, we'll take a look at them, see what we think. So after reviewing some of the pictures I took with the GoPro 10, they're about what I expected. The JPEGs, they looked okay, I guess. They were all sharp and all in focus, and they looked generally okay. I was really surprised when I went back and looked at the raw images that I took. I was able to bring up some of the shadows, bring down some of the highlights, adjust some of the colors and things. I was really surprised with the flexibility of the raw file. But, I had to ask myself, who is going around with the GoPro shooting raw photos? Like, are you really going to be shooting photos in anticipation of editing all your photos with the GoPro? In my opinion, probably not. I mean, maybe. But more than likely, you're just going to be shooting the JPEGs and going on about your business. But as far as the GoPro goes, I'm all about the GoPro video over just a regular phone. I mean, I think it's that much better than a phone when it comes to video. But for photos, nah, I'm just going to stick with the phone. I don't think there's any comparison iPhone over the GoPro 10. But it does take photos, and they are pretty decent. And I just thought I might want to share them. So let me know what you think about some of the photos I took. I appreciate you watching. Drop a like if you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one.